Last video I showed you that big hunk of metal, my D0VE 429 block I got for $200. This charming little jewel is a 68 289 that I got for $100. Lucky for me, there's no oversized marks on this one either. This one appears to be a standard bore. All original pistons. How original is this thing? I just pulled the front cover right there. FOMOCO. That is an original Ford Motor Company factory production line timing chain and gear set. This thing even still had the original oil slinger right here. And yeah, $100. Like I said, every once in a while, even I get lucky.